Today, we are going to learn how to set up deals. Deals, or as previously called, club deals, are benefits a member receives just for being a club member. For example, you can give all members a 10% discount on their purchases. Unlike gifts, deals don't need to be redeemed and they can be reused. When a member identifies at the POS, they automatically receive these benefits. To set up a deal, click on Add Activity and then click on Deal. You can create a deal from scratch or choose from a group of existing templates that were created before. Today, we're going to learn how to create a deal from scratch. Now let's add a title to the deal. 10% discount. And a description. The next step is to decide if you have conditions you would like to apply. While giving a discount, you can also apply a limitation to all your club members or to a specific group of members, and you can also add a time limitation. When we click here, you can choose if the rule applies to all your customers, whether they are club members or not. Note that most of the deals cannot be applied to non-registered members. You also have the all registered members, which is the default one, to anyone who's a club member. You also have specific members when you can apply a deal to a member based on a specific attribute that they have, like a tag, age, or a custom field you created in the registration form. And once you've chosen a group, click on Save. As mentioned before, you can also apply a time limitation at any date and time, which means the deal can run anytime, or you can choose specific dates when the deal can run, or you can run it without a time limitation forever. You can also choose specific days and times when the deal can run. For example, I can set up a deal that only runs on Sundays between 5 p.m. to 12 a.m. Now that we decided on the group of members we would like to apply the discount to and the time limitation, we can also add a global condition that is based on the items you'll need to have in the purchase or on the total spend you'll need to have in the purchase. And to do so, we'll click on Add Condition and then select Field. And if we choose Shopping Cart, we can decide on the items that need to be in the purchase in order to get the discount. We'll need to choose Shopping Cart, contains at least, and then one item. And when we click on Select Items, we can paste from Excel a list of item codes that can be applied. Or we can also create a group of these item codes, and then this group can be used later on if you need it for other deals or rules. Now there's an important note you'll need to notice here in item codes, that typing in these item codes here means that you'll need to have at least one of these item codes in order for the discount to work. These item codes have an OR relationship between them. Now there are two notes that you'll need to keep in mind here. If you edit a group, for example the drinks group, and then save it, the changes will be applied to any other place in the hub, rules or deals, using this group. Now another note to keep in mind is if we go back to the group that we've edited before and added an item code and then clicked on Save, when you click on Cancel here, the item codes will still be saved. And you can also add a condition on the total spend of the member, which means he has to spend at least $50, for example, in order for the deal to happen, to get the discount. The next step is to select whether your deal will apply on the entire purchase. Is it a deal that applies to specific items? Or is it more of an advanced deal such as buy one get one or spend an X amount of money and get Y. The first one is to give a discount on an entire purchase. Here, you can choose what type of discount you would like to give. You can give an amount off discount, which means it will amount off the bill, for example a $5 discount on the entire purchase. Now even though it's an entire purchase type of deal, you can still choose to exclude items from being discounted. For example, we can exclude the burgers group or exclude specific item codes. You can also give a % off discount off the bill. For example, a 10% discount off your bill. Here, you can also exclude certain items from receiving a discount and also add a maximum discount that a member can receive. For example, a 50% discount off the bill with a max of $50 off. The external POS discount option is meant for POS that haven't implemented a support to Como's discount calculation engine. In these cases, the discounted items or discounted deals will be set up at the POS as deal codes or item codes and triggered by Como's deals when adding them here. To make sure the item code will be applied, you'll need to hit on enter. When you finish creating the deal, you can save it as a draft, which means the deal won't be active yet, it will only be a draft. And if you want to activate it, you can go into the deal again and click on activate. Now you can see that the deal is active. In the next session, we'll go over the other two types of discounts on specific items and buy or spend X get Y. And we'll take a look at deals with multiple cases. And now it's your turn. So let's take a look at the solution. What we were asked to do is set up a deal that gives a 50% discount off the bill for members with a burger tag, and the limit is between Sundays and Wednesday and a $50 limit. So first, we give the deal a title and a description, and then we apply the time limits and the member limits. So for members, the tag has to be a burger tag, and the time limits need to be between Sundays and Wednesdays, and the deal runs forever. And then we gave a discount on entire purchase. We gave a 50% discount deal, and we added a limit of $50. And after we finished, clicked on activate. And that's the solution for the deal. And that's it. Make sense?